This video explores the journey to absolute control, privilege escalation techniques. We will discuss methods to move from initial limited access to administrator rights on a target system. Privilege escalation is the process of gaining more access rights than initially granted. This often involves exploiting design flaws, programming errors, or configuration issues. One path to elevated privileges is exploiting configuration errors left by administrators. Key attack vectors include unquoted service paths, incorrect service object permissions, and unattended installation files. The unquoted service paths technique exploits how Windows processes paths with spaces if they are not enclosed in quotes. A malicious executable can be placed in a directory along the path, allowing it to be executed with higher privileges. Service object permissions manipulation involves finding services with weak permissions that allow a low-privilege user to modify the service configuration. This enables replacing the executable path with malicious code. Path 2 is execution flow interception, which includes DLL hijacking. Many Windows programs don't specify the full path for DLLs, causing Windows to search in a specific order. The attacker places a malicious DLL in a searchable directory. The DLL hijacking attack starts when a user runs a program. The program looks for a DLL. The attacker places a malicious DLL in the application directory, which the program loads, giving the attacker remote access. Path 3 is direct assault via vulnerabilities, which relies on fundamental flaws in software or operating systems, not configuration mistakes. This process involves identifying the vulnerability, finding an exploit, adapting it, and executing it. Kernel attacks like Spectre and Meltdown exploit optimizations in modern processors. Meltdown allows low-privileged processes to read kernel memory, leaking critical information. Spectre tricks legitimate programs into revealing their data. Named pipe impersonation is an attack technique where a low-privileged client creates a named pipe. It then fools a high-privileged service, such as system, to connect, allowing the attacker to impersonate the service and gain its token. Once NT authority system privileges are obtained, the first step in lateral movement is gathering credentials. Tools like Metasploit can be used to dump password hashes from LSASS and the SAM database. Pivoting is the technique of using a compromised system to attack other systems within the same network that are not directly accessible. The compromised machine acts as a proxy, creating a tunneled attack path. To counter privilege escalation, adopt the principle of least privilege. Specific countermeasures include preventing DLL hijacking by using absolute paths, regular software patching to prevent vulnerability exploitation, and using quotes for service paths.